Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, we will discuss how to manually download and install the latest KB update for Windows 11 22H2 PCs. I have already downloaded and installed it via the settings app, but if you don't see this update, you can also manually download and install it. Just go to this website URL. Don't worry, I'll add it in the description box as well for ease of access, and just paste this KB5031455 build number and click on the search button. You will see two updates listed here. One is for ARM processors and one is for x64 based systems. Just click on it and you can see the details. The size is approximately 600 MB. And now click on the download button. Just click on the .msu link in this window to start downloading the update on your PC. Since it is a slightly bigger update, it can take some time to download on your PC. Wait for the update download to complete, and then you have to manually install this package on your PC. Note that this build introduces some improvements to the settings app, the taskbar, file explorer, and also fixes a lot of memory leak issues with the previous Windows update. The build number doesn't change to 23H2 after installing this update, so it will arrive after November. Open the update in the File Explorer window and double click on it to run it. Wait for the installation to start. Since I already have installed this update, I cannot install it twice, but you have to just click on next and continue to install this update. After that, restart your PC. When you restart your PC, your Windows build number will change from 24282 to 22621.2506. I will discuss all the new features added to this specific build after this KB update in another video which I will post after uploading this one. So stay tuned for that, and do like and share this video with other Windows 11 users. Also subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel for more such content on Windows updates and the Windows Insider program.